Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to change some of the site, especially on the surrounding landscape and then the sidewalk. Now we're gonna continue working on this. I want to change is the ground floor. I want to remove this and I want to align this part right here. Delete room. Before we do that, I want to align it properly. And then we could do this room separator. And then I want to delete this. I don't want that anymore. Instead, I want to make the garage open. So this one is not a garage anymore. This will be called a carport. So the look now will be like this. But we have an opening there. So now I'm just going to attach it to the base, similar to that, and then this one as well, so that it's not showing anymore. This is a room separator. So now we have the balcony, maximize the spacing there. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to change this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the extrusions from here. Before that, I want to maximize this stairs right here. So I want to increase this. So that looks much better in terms of steps. And then we could move this one a bit. Something right here up to this part. And then what we can do is edit this boundary, and then I'm just going to attach it to here. So that's so that we don't have any more gap. So we're looking like that right now. So we're gonna put some trees around here, maybe just a background of a house here, and then maybe a house on this side as well. so that we have something that is populated in the area and it will look nicer. And then now what we can do is we could go to our south elevation, and from our south elevation we're going to do some extrusions to make it look nicer. So choose generic model and then set it, pick a plane, and then select this plane right here. So now let's select extrusion. I'm going to change this material. I'm going to use a gypsum wallboard first to blend it better, and then let's duplicate that. Select that, apply, OK, and then here we're going to do the extrusion first. We're going to use a rectangle and we're going to make this extrusion right here. I'm gonna put it into 200 for the thickness to be consistent. Okay, and then now let's delete this, and then trim and extend, TR, TR, and TR there. So now let's do extrusion and then select this one. So AL, align it to this right here. We're gonna align it here as instead, or up to here. Okay, so now we're going to just align it all together right here so that there's no gaps, and then we could go to our south elevation to just edit the extrusion right here, and we need 200, and then let's finish this, and then we're going to do another one so to just alleviate the gap. I want to double check it because this is the same thickness as the wall, so we're gonna place another extrusion. But let's go to south elevation, edit in place, and then just add another rectangle there. And then let's put 200 in the extrusion end, and then let's look at it. For some reason it didn't show. Okay, so basically we put it in the wrong face. So now what we need to do is pick new, and I'm gonna use this. So now once we put it there, we can do finish and it will appear. So no problem with that anymore. But we just need to align it, AL, align it to the face, and then another face right here. And then here, just align this one, AL, then align it right here. There we go. So everything looks good. So next thing I want to do is to check this one. There's a gap here, so you want to make sure that everything is connecting. So here we have something like that right there. I'm going to select the floor and then just create this boundary right here. And then just trim and extend. So at least everything is clean like that. We don't need to worry about that anymore. So let's go back to south elevation, and I'm gonna create another one of this so that everything is leveled already. So edit in place. I'm gonna create another extrusion, and we could do the same thing, but now it's overall, and we have that perfect gap now, and everything is leveled. Here I'm just gonna undo it, create an extrusion again, and set it. Pick a plane and set it in this plane right here, and then do your extrusion. So now in 3D we could extend this a little bit more, and with that design we can extend a bit more and have that, but we're not gonna be doing too much of that. We're just going to put it like this. And then what I want to do, so click finish, go to level 2, and we could basically move the curtain wall all the way right here. And then to south elevation, what I like to do is to extend it all the way to the top, and then extend this one as well, so it will give that nice look that this one is just over there. And then what I want to do is to knock off some of this. So I'm going to have this square right here plus another C square onto this side, but both are cut off a little bit. So I'm gonna go to level 2, and I'm gonna edit in place, and then here what I want to do is to cut this one by using void extrusion. I'm gonna create this, and then slant it. And then delete this, and then delete this. Actually, if we're gonna select this, I need to slant it from here already. Trim and extend. Align it here, and then trim and extend. So click finish, extend it all the way and down, and then we could cut geometry, and as you can see we have that simple but nice look. And then we're gonna do the same thing at the other side, but mirrored it onto this side now. But we need to go and create this extrusion again. So we need to level it first and then create an extrusion. So now let's go and create a model in place. Generic model. Extrusion, pick a plane. We're gonna select this plane first, and then rectangle, $200, and then 200 here. We're going to clean that up later on, and then here trim and extend, and then delete those small ones. What we're gonna do is we're going to duplicate this one again so that we could set a different material. So here we're going to finish, go to 3D to align them AL, align it all the way right here, and then after that we're gonna do C only. So south elevation again, create an extrusion, pick a plane, and we're gonna select this face right here. Do the same thing. Delete this, and then SL, TR, trim and extend here, trim and extend here. Select finish, look at it in 3D, and then extend it a bit. I'm gonna move it like that, and then we're going to void it. So we're gonna go to second floor and then create void extrusion, and then trim and extend. Go back to 3D so that you'll be able to see what you're voiding, and then cut geometry, and then click finish. By doing that, as you can see, we have the same one but in a different look. We might to avoid a lot more, we could also put this one up a bit, so we could do that as well. So for now, we're just going to move this and then we could just put this one at 800, and then let's decide for this one to be equal. Let's put it at 1100, something like that, and go to level 2 and then add the same thing right here. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.